Yeah, you can't do that. Your stops, if your stops are if you have scalping stops, you can't buy into the vacuum. The euro dollar went and made a low of 4 year or 6 year low, so that kind of put a damper on things, I think. So you could have jumped on the train if you had instant execution, and you could do it if you jumped on it, but you kind of have to have that style. So if you're trying to come in to a plunging market, it's not going to work out. So here, look at this thing. This is the euro yen 20 pip grid. So yeah, there's none of these scripts I wrote really are designed to, you'd have to buy 100 pips apart on the way down with a 300 pip stop to ever think about swing trading get a look at this here. So take a look at that. That's the daily euro yen. So you're going down like, if you consider this, here's the this is the stops that are riding along. So if imagine somebody's got a stop in here. I'll make it like oh yeah, peach puff stops. They never get stopped out. So imagine that a guy sold up here because he thought, well, this is the shoulder, so I'm going to sell the shoulder here. There's a shoulder. Let's just sell at the market. Let's put a stop way up here. They'll never touch it, right? There's a guy that, or he sold here when it closed down. If you wait for confirmation, that's why you wait for confirmation, I guess. So, so you sell here, and the money management bot comes and does a trailing stop, and it cancel replays till here. And this almost 80 pip wick here, 65 pip, 75 pip wick here. They just, if you were to sell in limits here, you'd still take a lot of heat, kind of taking the other side of the stop. Because the guys that are short, that move their stop every 2 bars instead of every 1 bar, they didn't get stopped out. So it's the how much room we're going to give the market. Same thing here. You're still in the market, but you haven't moved your stop. Your stop's still here. You wait for another week, another day down, but forget about it, right? And here's the rock bottom, mind-blowing wick. So let's do some forensics on the wick here. So I'm not going to trade. I mean, I can trade at the market right now, so I do have this set up to trade at the market. This one broker, I think. This guy's set up to trade at the market. So here I've been buying this. I'm only in a 14K. I'm up $4. So these are my market orders. I pulled the trigger there. So I want to go through the market orders. And when you'd use them is that markets close down here, and you're not getting filled. See how my limits are down here? They're not filling. And my limits, I'm either going to put them in linear, or I'm going to put a hot spot in down here. So if you were to try to trade it today, if you're in a market that's going through like the low of the year, there's just no way. There's just no way you're going to make your 50 pip stop's just not going to hold through the swing. So that is the problem. Right? That's never going to work. I just know it. So to get through the swing of it all here, it's not worth it. So it's better that you babysit it, because even here, you see that 4-hour chart, and they just nicked that wick and then they slammed it down because it really wasn't. This is the only bounce of about this 10 pip grid. So 30 pip bounce, that's all you got. There's no way to, let's see. So here, it's the same market. This is the half hour, this is the 4-hour. The breakout bot would have won that round. In other words, the doji bots, the hedge systems, when it starts to drift sideways, or the sell. Sell anything you can, or sell everything on the hour. So the only other chance to sell was here, but it's too late. By then it's too late. Right? You take this sell, maybe. You made 20, 25 pips on that. Unless you go down to the 5-minute chart, there's no way to get on the train. And you have to have your finger on the trigger the whole time. You'd be sitting ready to pull the trigger. Every rally on this 5-minute chart, once you go through the floor here, so there was this, if you were here to see it, we smashed down and we ripped back up almost 15 pips. That's the first stab into the vacuum, and then let me get this out of the way. So I'm just going to hold the position I'm in. So that was the first touch into that vacuum, and then it rips out. And it keeps stabbing down in there. But if you've got your finger on the trigger and you're waiting for every rally in the 5-minute, let's just say you say, you know what, looks like it's going down. Let me sell. And you have to do this at the market, because if you run a selling limit, it's never going to get filled. Never going to get filled. So you'd have to sell this one, obviously. That one, this rally. Sell 2 sells here, and that's the topic I'm about them. Sell, sell, sell. But after this big crush, you kind of don't really take these sells to be that great, but they are good. I mean, they're not as many pips. And then all this stuff is really just range trading. Once you collapse below the 100-yard line here, if you're the kind of guy that can jump on the buy train, jump on the sell train, you got to be quick. Like you'd be buying right now. You would have bought every dip at the bottom of that range on the 5, and you built a position here, buying everything, and maybe you're dumping now. It really depends how big you're trading. Go to the 15-minute chart. There's only like one chance to get on the there's 2 chances to get on the 15-minute southern train. You know what I mean? Let's like, here's a perfect topic on the bottom on the 15. It really doesn't. I mean, tops become bottoms in the 15. Yes, they do, and sometimes they fail. But I mean, when you're talking about people that are, the reason why the market pivots there is because people are getting in and out. That's the turning point. That's why candlesticks suck, because you can't see what's really going on. This is the price over time. So there's a bottom, becomes a top. Just got. Or think about it this way: on closing prices, the way closing prices are viewed, people that say, you know what, we're losing. Time's gone by, we're losing. So let's get in where we got out. If we bought this bottom thinking that this was the bottom, we bought thinking, I know it's a pivot for a reason, because over time it is where people get in and out. It's the revolving door. Like if you drag it up here on the 15. Oh, jeez, I already grabbed that. So, like you have this. So here's a failure of a double bottom becomes a top. It's supposed to keep tanking. It doesn't, because here's the floor. Here's the vacuum floor in Asia. Right. This is the place you put your buy limits to just get that little up move, and the place you put your sell limits is the top tick Tommy region. So if you would have sold everything, you sold heavily into here, but you have to place your tickets up in there with everything up in there, and you would have got filled. On this broker, they would have filled you if you put anything above here. You would have got filled. Anything above close. So in the 10 pip window, you stack. You could go for a 20 pip window, like this kind of move here. you're not going to be able to trade. People say, well, yeah, why don't you sell that? You'd have to go to the 15. When we stab into, this is the kind of historical stab, a price, and then it comes back up. The people that trade on the 15-minute chart, their robots are selling every rally. It's irregardless whether these are probably negative reversals in RSI. That's why RSI is by the clock. You know, it's just plus you see you're in a temperate window here. You got spread. There's no commissions on this broker, so you have it's kind of robot ready broker. He doesn't have any commissions, so you're making up for there. All right, so we're gonna go through the. I'll do a little live trading here at the market. But you gotta really have the hotkeys set up for that one because we don't want to fumble around trying to get the right order. Yeah, so well, you know, I kind of like on this small time frames like this. At this time of day, I think it's kind of like dead. So we're kind of dead in the water here. I'm just kind of in a swing trade, I think. But it's really about time frame. If you look at this 15-minute chart and look at some of the... I'm a structured trader, so I can't really even... My God, if you're buying below yesterday's low, this is also going into deep discount territory that goes back so far. I can't even find it on here. Like, this is lows from... I mean, you took out this low here. When you went below this low, you're into prices from 2000. It's a 20-year low. So when the market goes into 20-year prices, you can't trade it with... you'd have to rearrange your whole trade plan if you had a hard set stop and a hard set profit. Which, if you trade the guppy, you probably know what your stop is or how much you expect to win or lose. So when you're doing the euro, you know, it's a tiny little world of kind of like you're kind of like your spread's near zero on some brokers, and I got this Trader's Way account running here, and it's just you know, but yeah, you're in this vacuum that goes. And it keeps going, actually. If you wanted to say, well, where's the next vacuum start? It's like way down here. It's about 600 pips below us. So like right there is like rock bottom. I don't think we're going there today, but here's another little notch of liquidity, so to speak. Okay, right there. That's just a few pips away, but right now I'm looking at this. This is the deep look back into the depth of market, really. The depth of prices that have been... Take this wick. So you took out this 5-year low. And there was a little bit of a bounce in there. Let's go to the I lost my time frames there. I just wanted to look at that one. So you're really looking at this whole week, the daily. And that's all you got. You can't trade that. Like, if you've got a stop that's like 50 pips, you're gone. If you bought every hour that drop, this 4-hour chart, if you bought every 4 hours that drop, all you could hope for was that bounce. And that was actually at the end of yesterday, into the close, there was a dead cat bounce, so to speak. That was your only trade, a double bottom. Like, okay, you could get a sell train there, but as soon as you gush through this floor, this would be the kind of the beginning of the end. Like with the first cut, the first breach into this thing is this one here. So if you pick that wick up, that supply, that's a hell of a lot of pips. So you spike into that near the close of the day, rip back. Then everybody's like, well, what about this? This is the new support, so to speak. And there's this wick back here. So when you cut through this one, it just shears off. This one here is an internal piece of that whole puzzle. So then it's straight down. It's like this kind of move here. There's no way in hell with a 20 pip stop you're going to stand in front of this with the fucking limits. It's just not going to happen. Now, this is the argument for just standing in front of this is a 200 pip slice down. So if you're going along and your life seems normal because you're trading like this, 80% of the market is going to do this. And life's good. It's just going to be nothing but treading water like this. And this is a fairly decent 100 pips of nonsense. And if you know how to trade that, or you just, like the robot, a range bot, would just have fun there, he's going to get killed when he steps in front of, when this floor gets taken out and they slice through it. So the nature of it is here, as soon as they cut through that, it's just cut straight down. There's no fucking, that's a 1 hour chart, blam, that whole day is gone. But the retrace, so here, if you did start buying here with your 200 pip stop, you could do this trade, but you can't do this one because this is 200 pips in a couple hours. This is only 100 pips, 120. This one is really this is another one that's not, you're not going to be able to hang through that kind of slice. That's 2 days down hard. This 1 hour chart would it's just carving out this area. Right, as soon as it falls through that floor, forget about it. Here's the other, the preamble to that is when you take this vacuum out, right, there's this, people are just freaking out, and then you got the new obstacle as soon as you take out these new lows. So new lows. And right now, you're either laying track way deep in front of this, or you're buying this at the market with a wide stop, and you're trying to get in. You know, so do you want to pay commissions, or do you want to pay? Do you want to work hard and scalp all day? And so I'm actually long this thing. I think I bought at the market. Let me go back to this other trade I'm in. Yeah, so this one's not doing too bad. Okay. That's not it. That's this one I want to see. I did go my navigator again. Yeah. Yeah. Up $7. I'm at a 12K. It looks like retracement. It's the end of the day. Go to the 4 hour. We just closed the, I wouldn't be selling here. So here's the other problem, is that this may seem like a pretty dramatic, like this is insane, right? Every 4 hours you're crushing, but where are you going to? And like if you're not one to hop on that sell train, I'm sure there's some rallies on the half hour and 15 minute where you can just make yourself a nice tidy 40, 60, whatever pips in the down slice. Just like this one here. But all these kind of choppiness, that's easy to gauge that. You know, you're trying to make 20 pips with a 40 pip stop. You're trying to make 33 pips with a 22 pip stop. And if you're trading off of the new highs and new lows, see if I can zoom in. So 4 hour, that's as close as you're going to see candlesticks here. But if you So your trade plans need to be like this here. That's a 4-hour chart. You're like, okay, let's fucking range trade this thing. Let me put a rack of based on the racks I wrote. Yes, you can make money on that, right? You can make money because this is not dropped more than 100 pips. If you start buying every 10 pip on the way down, every black line's 10 pips. So every one of those trades were eventually a winner because we came up here if you could handle going down 120 pips. $12 on 1K, but here's the thing. If you got a rack here that starts here, you're going to be more conservative because you're buying this. And if you only put your tickets down here, you got to buy more tickets because now you could miss out, right? But it becomes better and better price unless you. And if you gonna buy here, you got to buy really a lot. Because if you buy on the way to there, like if you build the business, say you buy a 10K or 40K here, and you buy 80K here on singles, or whatever on 1Ks. When this thing rockets out of here, just made $800. You're gonna make your say that's a standard lot. You got standard lot sitting in a 20 pip window, but you only fill about 80K. But you got scaled exits, so every 10 pips you're taking something off the table. So maybe you're not going to get this whole price pulse because are you really going to, are you really going to, oh yeah, I have to turn on my Boomer tech support, sorry. Yeah, I forgot about that. Damn, that thing is just, it's relentless. Let me see if I get this thing hooked up here. I'm not good at the Discordology, so let me turn it on here. See what kind. I gotta turn my audio back up. I think. Sounds of the city. Wait. Yes, here's my volume mixer. Oh, it's turned up, isn't it? Should be. Fucking A. You there? 09er. Did you read over? I guess I have to put myself in the room. I never thought of that. Fuck, I don't even know how to do that. You there? Uh-oh, he fell asleep. The color scheme's off. That's like I was saying, oh gosh. Okay. Well, nobody's there. Anyways. So, what was I saying? Yeah, so all these wicks on the daily and all this stuff. Like, what do you? I guess what the question is. What are you trying to do there? The trade. I got this. I think I got a robot trade this for me. Let me see. Well, it was. Look at the dollar CAD. Now, I know people trade this thing. They lose their mind trading this dollar CAD. Hey, look at this. Euro's coming back off the floor. So this is a good trade for at least 10 pips here. My target's right there. It comes down to what's your timeline, you know? Buy euros. Dollar parity. What does dollar parity mean? Oh, you mean this is almost the same price? Yeah. Yeah. Well, that's what they're trying to do, see? They're trying to make everything the same. Make everything the same. Okay. Yes. Okay. I see what you're saying. But you see, like in the big landscape of this, are you a person that's going to say, "Well, I'm going to go to the 4-hour chart because I ain't got time for this"? Oh yeah, can't hear me in Discord? Okay. Shit. Why not? I fuck up. Oh wait. Oh shit. Did I turn off my audio? Oh, you know what? I fucked up the settings because I unplugged some hardware. I got to go back and set my fucking thing up here. Please hold. Your call is very important to us. Oops. Yeah, never unplug a device. And it says I'm on number 3 now. Version 3. How's that? Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? So I can restart the Discord now. I don't hear shit. Wait. God, what did I fuck up? Noise suppression. I know I don't see that. I gotta set it again. But sensitivity. I don't know. Maybe I gotta restart the Discord? No. Yeah, I don't know. I cannot fucking get my brain around this thing. I guess I should turn it away, turn it off. Okay. What do you think here? Let's just reconnect. Damn it. I don't hear any of my sounds coming up on this thing. My sound card's fucked up. Alright. I don't know. Fuck. It says my mic works. I guess I have to log out of Discord. I don't get it. Fuck. Let's try this. Anyways, my euro's going up. 15-minute chart. So it took a burst there. This is what time of day it is. It's near the end of the day, looking for a retracement now. But you could have traded all these zigzags in here if you wanted. I don't know what kind of time frame people are interested in though. Why doesn't that okay. Wow. Disconnect. Okay. I don't hear the blip sounds. How the fuck do I close out Discord? I guess I have to go to my we just got to get out of this thing. Discord's so fucked. Let's try this. I don't know why it's not working. Oh, there you go. I guess you got to reboot. It's not like you'd think it would be. Fuck. Here, where's the fucking... What a piece of shit. I can't believe it here. Okay. Fuck. I don't know, it's not working. Anyways, my euro's going up. That's all that matters. Huh. Why is there no audio on this? I just heard it go bloop. That's fucked up, dude. That's just you. I can't get it to run. Oh God. I had it set. I don't even hear the blip sounds. The little blip sounds you normally hear. I don't hear that either. Okay. Yeah, I give up. I don't have Skype on this computer. Yeah. Do I have Skype on this one? I guess I have the old Skype. I could try logging on that. Yeah, Pale Talk. I think it was on Pale Talk once. Let me try Pale Talk thing. I don't know. Discord drives me nuts anyways. Oh, video chat. Okay. Try that. A 100 million people out here. Oh, 100 million. Oh, God. Mm-hmm. Okay. Good Lord, I think I've been here before. Do I have to create a screen name like... Aardvarks to zoology? Holy shit. Now what? Holy shit, I think it's launching, for God's sake. Yeah, I think I've been here before. I just need a nickname. Okay. I have to register. But they don't let you register, do they? It don't work. I can't get this to run. Like, PayPal, like, log in, dude. Where's the fucking your nickname? Start chatting. Like, there's nothing to click on here. Are they serious? Fuck. Oh. That doesn't. I can't get to work, dude. All I see is thank you for installing. Here's the shit I get. Here's my whole life. Is shit like this. Thank you for installing PayDog. Now just click and log in. You can't. None of this shit clicks. Nothing. It's pointless. That's more technology for you. Robots, no work. Nothing works here. Yeah, dude, I'm trying to get my fucking Discord. I'm gonna try. Telegram's pretty good, but dude, I couldn't get Telegram to work. I thought I was landing on the moon without a spaceship. Honestly, it was fucking insane. So you guys are on Discord. I don't know what's Discord is not working. There's just me and this guy here. I don't even get my sound to go bleep, 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 bleep. I'm missing all my fucking set. Let me try redo the core of the audio here. Advanced. It's always in advanced. A special API. Okay. Windows settings. That's not it. It's gotta be audio video. I don't get it. Yes. Voice suppression. Oh, turn on that automatic gain control bullshit. Okay. I don't know. Okay. Shit, I don't know. I quit. 019er. I don't know what's going on with the audio today. We're totally incompetent. I think that's it. Incompetent. That's right, you nailed it. Incompetent. Do what you know. God. Let's just see me and Genesis in this room anyways. Oh, wait for it. Wait. No, doesn't work. No worko. I'm trying to make this stream as boring as possible. How's it working out? Uh-oh. Would they shut my stream down? I don't see the stream can't be accessed again from the managed side. Huh? Wow. No. I fucked that up, didn't I? Wow. Oh, I see. Man, I just, the Zoom keys is treating me wrong here. Why is that so small? Okay. Yeah, I cannot get Discord to run. I really can't. So, yeah, I wasn't talking. Sorry. I had a call a friend of mine. Three cheese on. 3 cheese on. What's that? Do you like? Do you want a? I know it says I'm not. So my Discord I switch it on and off and nothing comes of it. And then I went to my settings for my audio. Well, let me try something else. I go for default. It can't be default, right? I hear nothing. I hear nothing. Oh, shit. I don't know, man. Does it really reboot the whole computer? Oh, you know what? It might be. Well, no, it's something conflicting. Like in the startup menu. Oh, here it is. Nickname. I got the paid talk to work here. So nickname. I go for Pipgrid. Maybe it's taken, but so I thought I'm streaming on Twitch also. I was gonna do that. Some people. So I'm trying to write scripts for Trader's Way. They're gonna be very detailed because I'm gonna try to take advantage of their tight spread on the euro. Yes, we're okay. Alright. Remember me. Oh, I gotta sign up. Nickname. It's probably taken already. I'm gonna go with their suggestion. The suggested password today is anybody old enough to remember the show password? The password today is. Okay. All right. I put the link to the PayPal in here. I'm gonna get out of this trade actually. So here's the thing. This is going to tank now, so I want to look at the navigator, and I want to get down this fucking trade. See, here's the problem with trading. My navigator's not open. Got to fucking find it. Got to get it. Got to get it up here. Got to get the take all profits key ready, and they're just going to nail it. See, this is the problem with trading. That is a sell. I could have sold there, but if I don't get out of my buys, I'm not a trader. I'm an investor. I'm waiting to automatically log in. Gosh. Thanks for signing up with Pale Talk. So is this, it's not Bucket Talk, it's Pale Talk. You're certain of that? Okay. Now how do I share the chatty thing here? Fuck. Okay, I'm going to put the link in the... Put the link in this goddamn thing already here. Really? Say something. I can't get the fucking, I can't even type into the window. What's going on? That's impossible. This is impossible, dude. Okay. Oh, I guess I'm not even looking at a window for the chat. Pipgrid's my name. Pipgrid is my... Oh shit, somebody's calling me. Wait, please hold. Okay, so I was just trying to put a link in there. Is this it? Okay, that's... I heard some bells go off, but I don't know what I'm looking for. That has to be the only app I'm running. Okay. Oh, guess this is you, right? No? Pailtech Notifier today. Oof, I got a present. Welcome. Was that something I needed to know? Now what? Send invite link. To where did you send it to? I don't know how this shit works, dude. Like invite link. What, do I go to my my little thing here? I can't even type into my own stream right now. I don't know what's going on. I think I had to reboot the whole computer, start over. Let me see if I come in as a watcher on my own stream here. I have to do that, I guess. Yeah, I can't type into that stream. That is weird. In other words, I can't make a comment. I can only read. Try that. I don't know how this shit works, dude. Try that. I have no clue. It's fucking retarded. Add you. Nearly same people. That clock. Yeah, that clock's ugly as shit. Wait. Oh, I clicked on it just in time. The upper right hand corner I go to. Oh, here we go. I'm calling you. 0 Do you read over calling? Collect call. Is that? Am I calling you? Please pick up. Please pick up. Oh, fuck. Should I give up on that? Hello. Your call is very important to us. The call you're receiving now will be... That didn't work. How about if I just click on your name? Genesis is waiting. The game will automatically start. Uh-oh. The game. Oh, here we are. The game's starting. Would play chess now? Holy shit. I thought it's not. It's pale chess. I thought it was pale talk.
Unmute my mic.
Do we have to open a chessboard just to talk? That's the trick. Fuck, if I knew the world was like that, it'd be a different story.
Going on, man.
Oh. I was just sitting here watching the markets.
What is going on?
Oil crash.
Oh.
I like that oil price. I don't see it at the pump yet. I'm sure beating the shit out of oil. Did you see my Gartley patterns on oil?
Hello?
Hello. Do I have to turn on the audio? Wait. Wait. How do I get to the little...
Does it work?
Oh, wait. Oh, this PayPal is just beating the shit.
Oh,
PayPal's beating the shit out of my computer. Wow.
Is it?
The overhead's just incredible. My mouse is lagging.
It's chess. I don't know why we play chess.
Chess is the only way we can talk. They're trying to make us into chess players. Oof. How they treating you? They take the masks off yet there? Or is it mask on, mask off? Pick a mask. Masks are us. Don't forget to mask up. You wouldn't want something to go wrong, would you? Okay. We have to make this clock different. It's just that is like the most disgusting bezel I've ever seen on a clock. It's like cheap brushed brass. What's
it's
it gonna
graphically
be?
like 90s.
You know, if I put Mickey Mouse on here, they'll tear down my stream, so I gotta be careful. There's Mickey Mouse clocks in here, like that Apple clock. They'll charge me for that. I get a bill. I can't get the Discord.
Accidentally hit 10 lot size.
What's up?
Yeah, reboot the computer, man. Well, I gotta go to the shop anyway, and yeah.
Because the overhead and pay talk is blow your mind because of that chessboard in there.
Is it? Alright.
Let me try it.
I don't even know why that's happening.
Yeah.